Hey guys, this is Tom Connolly. Thanks for joining me for this little presentation. I wanted to tell you about the Power Lead system here. Now, while you may be in watching a presentation for something else, I just wanted to show you this is the actual marketing system that you use to market these things online. And it is an indispensable tool. Now, of course, if you have other ways of marketing any other program, in other words, you're good with face-to-face or whatever, flyers, in-person marketing, whatever you do, then that's fine. Do what works for you. But if you want to be able to sell this stuff online, you need a system like this, the Power Lead system. Okay? There'll be links around this presentation to show you more about it, but I just wanted to show you real quick. You've got all these, you know, all kinds of websites to choose from, and there's sharing codes where you can add these things in. There's also a contact manager that holds all your contacts, all your subscribers, and you can actually create email follow-up campaigns to send, sales letters, emails to send to people after they've seen your presentation. They've got share codes where if you join my team, I'll be able to provide you with some share codes to get you started, where you can actually use a pre-made sales funnel, sales page all the way through to market online. So you've got lead capture pages. You've got just got everything you need to market online. So I just wanted to show you that real quick to show you that this is the type of thing that you need. Um, there's just it's a fully automated system. You can't go wrong. Just here you go. Like this is probably one of the pages or the page you use to opt in to see this presentation. It works unbelievable, okay? Unbelievably well. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and check out the actual presentation on the Power Lead system around this video. This is an add-on that you definitely need. So thank you.